Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you No Rewind 2023 in Locket app and what to do now. So let's get started. So if your rewind like Locket app does not show the rewind of 2023, you have to follow this easy step. So let's open the Locket app. If it does not show you the rewind of 2023, that means you don't have enough memory to make that. But if you have that enough memory, that you can just go and contact with the customer care of this Locket app, and from there you can raise this issue that I have not seen my like rewind of my 2023. Hope they will create soon and they will send you. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.